Hi, today I want to share with you a story that I experienced. And you might say, okay, why are you always so concerned about unfairness on societies and organizations that has been backed up? Okay, about a couple of years ago, I was driving in a 50-kilometer road, and I was behind a truck that is dropping something from the back, but at the same time, I was kind of like in front of me was a truck, beside me was a truck. I just got a short distance that I could pass to the left. I got stopped by a police guy who had to go through a maze to call me to the lane behind. He's telling me that I was driving fast, and we have complaining from the neighborhood that there are so many people driving fast. So I didn't have any argument with him. I didn't have anything to say. Hey man, I couldn't even drive more than 50 kilometers. I was basically surrounded by either trucks and ahead of me cars. There was no chance for any God's sake, for any way that I could go fast. So what happened here? This person, this police, who is a person, at the same time that he is hired to protect the public, with the name of protecting the public, took his own personal opinion and personal preferences. Because I had a red sporty car, so usually the younger kids in this cars that drive faster, he prejudged my action. Whatever he had done, it was nothing wrong with it, but he gave me the ticket. So I didn't argue with him. I didn't even bother to go through dispute. But what I'm trying to say is these items like that can happen, will happen, and happens not only with the small situation like this, is like a police who is personalized their own opinion on the law and bylaws, but it happens in a bigger associations. Like again, what I'm facing right now is AIBC, Architectural Institute of British Columbia, penalizing me for things that is not against by law, but they believe in their mind, because for 100 years they were thinking that way, they were practicing that way, they still think whatever I've done is incorrect. I am fighting with this type of mentality. I am fighting with this type of mindset. So if you want to join me with this type of movements, you're gonna help yourself, me, and every other public members to make sure we are safer. We don't have to get prejudged by associations and organizations who have the power over us, because they feel they have a power. It means they can do anything they want. It is not time for them anymore to rule against their own bylaw. Help me by signing the petitions and we move forward for a better BC to live in. Thank you.